K2 Cranes. All things are bright and beautiful. Every K2 crane we build carries a part of us, our dreams, our sweat, our silent prayers. The journey of 120-ton double girder crane. Born from the hearts and hands of our K2 family, its journey began long before the first bolt was fastened. From the first pencil stroke on a blueprint to the final fastening at its workplace, this K2 Crane's journey began with belief. A belief in what we do. A belief in the trust our customers place in us. A belief that even steel can carry purpose. It traveled through bustling highways, winding mountain roads, and river bridges. Not merely as a piece of machinery, but as a symbol of commitment. Today it stands tall, not just to lift loads, but to lift dreams, to support progress, to serve with silent strength. K2 Cranes, we don't just deliver cranes. We deliver commitments that travel miles and last a lifetime. Because the journey is as important as the destination.